Hi, everybody. Welcome to our channel, The Essential Travel Tips. Our destination for you today, it's the top 20 how to travel with just a carry-on for 2025. Traveling with just a carry-on is a game changer for those looking to streamline their trips, reduce stress, and embrace a minimalist approach to packing. This travel style focuses on packing only the essentials, fitting everything you need into a compact bag that fits in the overhead compartment or under the seat in front of you. By ditching the extra luggage, you avoid long waits at baggage claim, the risk of lost luggage, and the hassle of carrying heavy bags. With a carry-on, you're encouraged to think carefully about what's truly necessary, making you more resourceful and organized. The simplicity of packing light often leads to a more flexible and enjoyable travel experience, whether you're hopping on a weekend getaway or embarking on a longer adventure. Not only does it save time and money, but it also promotes a sense of freedom, allowing you to move more easily through airports, trains, or other transportation options. For many travelers, the benefits of carry-on-only travel go beyond just convenience. It's an opportunity to embrace a lighter, more efficient way of exploring the world. Here's your top 20 how to travel with just a carry-on for 2025. 1. Choose the right bag. Look for a carry-on bag that fits the airline's specifications, which typically range between 45 to 56 centimeters in height. Soft-sided bags often provide a little more flexibility when fitting in overhead compartments or under the seat. Ensure the bag is durable and easy to maneuver, preferably with 360-degree spinner wheels. 2. Pack smart. Rolling clothes instead of folding them reduces wrinkles and maximizes space. You can also roll socks and underwear inside shoes to save space. Consider packing items that wrinkle less, such as wrinkle-resistant fabrics or knits. 3. Make a list. Write down everything you need before packing to avoid overpacking. Categorize items and check them off as you pack. This ensures you won't forget anything important and will keep your packing list organized. 4. Wear bulky items. If you're traveling to a cooler destination or taking bulky items, like jackets, boots, or scarves, wear them on the plane. This frees up space in your bag and ensures you don't have to store them in your limited carry-on space. 5. Use packing cubes. Packing cubes are small fabric containers that allow you to group items together, making it easier to access clothes and stay organized. They compress clothes, which helps to maximize the use of your carry-on space. They also help you separate dirty and clean clothes during your trip. 6. Minimize toiletries. Airlines have restrictions on liquids in carry-ons, so opt for travel-size containers. Alternatively, you can buy larger bottles of essentials at your destination. Use multi-purpose products. 7. Solid toiletries. Instead of packing liquid shampoos, conditioners, or body wash, opt for solid versions. Bar soap, shampoo bars, and solid lotions meet TSA guidelines, last longer, and take up less space in your bag. 8. Pack clothes that can be mixed and matched. Select versatile clothing items that can be worn in multiple combinations, such as neutral-colored shirts, a pair of comfortable pants, and a cardigan that works with everything. Stick to a color scheme so everything matches easily, and you can layer pieces as needed. 9. Limit shoes. Shoes take up a lot of space in your carry-on. Limit yourself to 2 pairs, one for daily wear and one for more formal occasions, like a pair of dress shoes or flats. Pack socks or small accessories inside shoes to optimize the space. 10. Choose lightweight fabrics. Fabrics like merino wool, linen, or lightweight cotton are breathable and pack down smaller than heavier materials like denim. They're also versatile and can be worn in a variety of weather conditions, allowing you to pack fewer clothes while staying comfortable. 11. Avoid excess gadgets. Minimize electronics to just the essentials. Instead of carrying multiple devices like a tablet, camera, and e-reader, choose one that can serve multiple functions. Remember to download offline maps and entertainment to save space in your carry-on. 12. Use compression bags. These are vacuum-sealed bags that compress your clothes by removing air. They're especially useful for bulky items like jackets or sweaters. You don't need a vacuum to use them. Simply roll the air out using your hands, which reduces the size of the items, helping you maximize space. 13. Bring a reusable water bottle. Traveling with a reusable water bottle means you don't need to buy expensive bottled water at the airport or risk dehydration. You can fill it up after security checkpoints and stay hydrated throughout the flight. 14. Pack a small first aid kit. Pack only the essentials: pain relievers, band-aids, antiseptic wipes, any prescription medications, and personal health items. This ensures you're prepared for small health issues and eliminates the need to find a pharmacy when you arrive. 15. Maximize your personal item. Airlines allow a second, smaller personal item, like a backpack or small tote bag. Use this for items like a jacket, snacks, electronics, a book, and other essentials. It helps balance the weight distribution between your carry-on and personal item, making travel more convenient. 16. Wear your jewelry. Instead of packing jewelry that can get tangled or lost, wear your jewelry on the flight. You can add flair to your outfits without taking up extra space. Stick to versatile pieces that work with a variety of outfits. 17. Don't overpack for souvenirs. Leave room in your bag for souvenirs, or plan to ship items home if you acquire larger items during your travels. Consider purchasing lighter, more compact souvenirs such as local snacks, small trinkets, or art, rather than bulky or fragile items. 18. Use Ziploc bags. Ziploc bags are perfect for storing small items like chargers, makeup, or snacks. They're transparent, making it easy to find what you need, and they prevent spills or leaks from liquids. Plus, they're TSA-friendly for your liquids and gels. 19. Pack a travel laundry kit. If you plan to do laundry on your trip, pack a small detergent packet or travel-sized detergent bottle. You can also bring a small clothesline or portable wash bag if your accommodation doesn't provide laundry services, allowing you to wash a few items during your stay. 20. Consider digital versions. To save space and reduce the weight of physical books or maps, download digital versions to your smartphone or e-reader. Apps for city guides, maps, language translators, and even offline games can all help you travel without the bulk of paper versions. By applying these tips, you can streamline your packing process, save space, and enjoy a hassle-free travel experience with only a carry-on. Have a nice trip.